someone special, who could it be? This job's too big for you and me.
We need some help.
But never fear, oh, it looks like a job for a Higglytown hero. A Higglytown hero.
I'm a Higglytown hero, brave and true. I help the town with the things I do. So work real hard and you will see that you can be a hero just like me. A hero just like me. I'm a lifeguard, yep, that's me. Water safety is my creed. When your parents aren't around, I'll make sure you're safe and sound. If you're swimming in my pool, I'll tell you the water rules. Walk, please. If you drift into the deep, I'll help you, so don't you weep.
Can you swim to the rescue of a yellow kangaroo?
Sure I can.
Or can you help a wild boar make it safely back to shore?
That's my job.